Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a phone like frame on top of your videos in CapCut PC. So select your video and you can either go to stickers and find one. Let me just make it the original one. Okay, let's go to stickers and like try to find like a phone frame. If you can't find it, then you're going to go to like another website to grab it. I'll just use this one just for an example. Could be any phone that you want, of course. Okay, let's just do that. And then you can mask it here or make it a little bit smaller first and then mask the like edges. Oh, it's okay. So you can either do that or let me just undo everything first. Or you can go to the animation section. I think it's in combo. And there will be like the smartphone that you can use for this. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions regarding this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.